Welcome back. It's time for some typing. For typing, I want you to try to type every single day for 10 to 15 minutes every day. And then you can really get good eventually. Let's do some typing review. Why is typing important? It's faster than writing. It lets you communicate many different ways very fast and work. And it's a skill you're going to use your whole life. Who invented typing? Do you remember? What's this guy's name? Christopher Latham Scholes. He invented the mechanical typewriter. And here's the mechanical typewriter. And the way it works, of course, or the way it worked, was you would press each letter key down, and it would basically cause a lever action, and have each little letter stamp would fling up and smack the paper that was on the roller here. And if you pressed keys too many times at once, they could all get jammed up and get stuck. So that leads into where the keys where they are. They're all mixed up, right? They're not A, B, C, D, F, G. They're Q, W, R, T, R, T, Y. They're placed like that because Christopher Latham Scholes, he was trying to avoid having the keyboard jam as much as possible. And mixing them up like that would cause basically less jams, is what he figured out. It's like kind of a relic of the older technology, but everyone's kind of has this social inertia, is what it's called, and we still use the same pattern of key layout, even though we can't have jams on an electrical keyboard or typewriter that we have now. Now, it's so important you don't look at your hands while typing, because you can get stuck into a bad habit and get stuck doing hunt and peck style typing. And it may seem like it's faster, it may seem like it's easier in the beginning, and it is faster in the beginning, but it will slow you down. It will sabotage you in your typing skills in the long run. So you've got to remember the 3 most important things. Watch the ghost hands. Keep your hands on the home row, and don't look at your hands. Don't look at the keyboard while you type. And if you can type fast enough, you can become a cyborg. Oh, just kidding. Right now, I'm going to show you basically a little how-to video on how to make your own keyboard cover.